Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-Pack Screen Protector plus 3-Pack Camera Lens Protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
The battle to stay on top in the rapidly evolving electric vehicle market has taken a dramatic turn with the collapse of Fisker Inc., an ambitious US-based startup that was founded by none other than Danish car designer Henrik Fisker 8 years ago. Electro-Drive News is here to break down the shocking events surrounding this troubled EV startup. So, what went wrong? Well, from its inception, Fisker had ambitious plans to produce 50,000 vehicles a year by 2023, but production targets were repeatedly missed, supply delays plagued the company, and mechanical issues left customers frustrated. Despite being founded on sustainability and aiming to disrupt the automotive industry, Fisker struggled to deliver. Now, we know that in December 2023, over 400 Fisker Oceans arrived in the UK, starting from £36,900 to £57,900. But by April 2024, the brand slashed prices to between £30,900 and £43,900 in a desperate bid to generate funds. This move suggests that Fisker was struggling to stay afloat and needed all the help it could get. One of the most concerning aspects of Fisker's collapse is what will happen to these vehicles now that their manufacturer has gone out of business. Will they remain on the roads or be pulled off due to lack of maintenance and support? The answer isn't clear-cut. However, without a supply of replacement mechanical parts, it becomes an enormous headache for owners who may find themselves £70,000 out of pocket. Another pressing concern is the impact this will have on Fisker's customers. Many were left feeling let down by the brand's poor customer service and lack of support. The collapse of Fisker Inc. raises serious questions about what went wrong and whether there are lessons to be learned from its demise that can help shape the future of the electric vehicle market. In conclusion, the collapse of Fisker Inc. serves as a stark reminder of the challenges faced by EV manufacturers. As the industry continues to evolve, it's essential for companies to prioritize customer satisfaction, maintain high levels of production quality, and invest in innovative solutions to overcome supply chain issues. At Electro-Drive News, we'll be keeping a close eye on this story and providing you with all the latest updates as they become available.